We're back. So, first run for the day is done with Liz. I'm happy about that, but now I want to go with Top Banana because we haven't submitted anything for Top Banana yet. Because the game was just, we knew how far we could take it and we weren't able to. I'm gonna restrict myself to a maximum of 4 runs if they're short, 3 runs if they are okayish. And don't forget, this game is crazy and weird. And not beautiful, and the sound design is scary. Super scary. So. 180k 100 was the best I did so far, but this was second level. We wanna get to the third level at least, so. Oh, this cursed game, and we're back in Cursed Town. Okay, it already cursed run. Okay, let's see how much we can catch off already of these. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. We made it quicker. That way, reserve some time. Focus up on the run. The mushroom, we didn't want to have it anyways. And this thing here, it reverses your controls. So we're gonna skip on the bell. That we learned the hard way. Oh, okay, they would both give a heart. Okay, now. Oh, there was a big bundle of big scorers. Ah, we've been 10k ahead. Yeah, this game is MiSTer Suffer Deluxe right there. Ah, and that's already the part. Getting greedy because you want to have it, and then this happens. This game is so bad. There's still no solid explanation to why I would run this. Bring the cursedness on. Oh, nice. Oh, that was good. Oh, good that we waited this one out. I had weird key wipes. Okay, this is one of these where I must do this and wait. It was a pink star one, okay. Not too soon. You know what? We're gonna take the cheerleader. Oh, water level's rising fast now, so we have to hurry towards the goal. Oh yeah, it's okay. Would you be so kind to... How are we supposed to get there? Oh. That was the key. Okay. Oh, we finished second level. All right. First run and we finished second level. I'm happy. 153, so we Okay, we only need the last heart now for the big bonus. Yeah. This one is hard. Oh, we just do it like this then. Oh, but we got the heart, so the bonus is there. Oh no, we touched it. But it's okay. I wanted one run in. We got one run in, and it was a run that worked. So 183k and 700. 183,700 JEK. Nice. We finally got a top banana score to submit. Nice. Nice.